This is a very short video to show you how to change student passwords in RapidIdentity NCEdCloud, whichever one you want to call it. So when you log into this website, you come to your screen here, and the button you'll need to push will be Profiles here on this side of the screen. Now, when you do that, you'll have three tabs. Your profile, and this is where you can go to change your password, white pages, and my students. So when you click on my students, you'll see all of the students that are assigned to you. This is where you change their password. You find the student that you need to change their password, you click here, and you'll see that the change password button becomes active. Once you click that, it gives you the rules for the passwords. I would suggest using their computer login password just so they have just one password. And you type it here, and then you type it here again once you've typed it in both places. Once you've got that done, you click Save, and it'll give you a successful save screen. I'm not quite sure exactly what it says. Do not do anything with these two. Leave those two alone. And then you're done. Thank you.